Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today, I will guide you on how to make money using the very songs you love, even if you don't have songwriting skills or the ability to sing like a professional singer. What is this method? Let's take a look at these YouTube channels, one of the famous ones being Voice Avenue. They have over 16 million subscribers. Check out their videos. They have covered famous songs with their own voices and have hundreds of thousands of views on each of their cover videos. See how much money they have made. It ranges from $5,800 to $92,400 with a total view count of over 23 million. That's an impressive number, isn't it? In today's video, I will show you how to create similar videos and make money from them. Of course, you don't need to sing or do anything complicated. Your job is simple: access YouTube, find a song you love, copy the URL of that song, and paste it into an AI tool. This AI tool will create a cover of the song for you, with quality that matches the original. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? So, what is this tool? Let's explore it right now.
Let's go!
Please visit this website, called VoiceStars.co. It's not difficult to find. I have included the website link in the description below. Go ahead and access it, and create an account either using your email and password or your Google account. Let's take a look at its interface. It's truly an amazing tool that I've ever seen. There are many fantastic AI voices for you to use in covering your songs. Try listening to AI voices like Drake.
Yeah, moving like the money is the mission. Come between the paper and
Travis Scott.
it's a party at the house. There's guys in the pool, acting a fool. I'm full of the juice, it ain't no rule.
Or the female AI voice of Ariana Grande. And there are many other fantastic AI voices. Check it out. There's even an AI voice for Donald Trump. And look, there's one for the anime character Sangoku. Among many other interesting voices. Not only that, you can find voices from different countries like American, Italian, Indian, Korean, and even YouTube-style voices. Just by looking at it, I'm already excited and eager to create a cover of a song immediately. Alright, I will now access YouTube and copy a song right away. I'll choose this song. Please give it a listen.
To turn the tables, I could do this. Just keep moving, keep your hands up, stupid. I feel loose.
Okay, it sounds like a great melody. I'll click on the share button and select copy. So, I now have a song that I want to cover. Next, I'll choose the AI voice that I want to use for the cover. I'll select the AI voice of Future, simply by clicking convert. Finally, I'll paste the URL of the song on YouTube here and click fetch. Remember to read and accept VoiceStars terms of use before clicking convert. Now all you have to do is wait for the system to convert the song for you. The conversion time can be as short as a power nap, a dog walk, or a cup of coffee.
What?
But no, I'm just kidding. It only takes a few seconds. I'm truly amazed at its speed because it's done in less than 60 seconds. It's done. Let's see it.
My hands stable, being able to turn the tables, I can do this. Just keep moving, keep your hands up, stupid. I feel lucid, a new viewing. I can see the end, I can see my future, I can view it. It's right there for the taking, everything I've ever wanted.
Now, Go ahead and download it. You can choose from 3 options: download the entire song, only the instruments, or just the vocals. Now, I'll create another AI song. I'll choose AI Rihanna this time, but I'll upload a music file from my computer. Listen to this song.
Feeling so alive when I dream. Open up my eyes when I see. On my way.
Just upload it and then click fetch. Once again, hit convert.
Feeling so alive when I dream. Open up my eyes when I see. On my way for you.
Check out the result. It's fantastic. Go ahead and download it. Now it's time to prepare the music video. First, I need an AI cover image for the video. I'm using Leonardo. Check out the result. It's not an exact match. Now it's time to create the music video, combining all the elements together, and then export it as a video. Let's take a look at the final result.
My hands stable, being able to turn the tables. I can do this. Just keep moving, keep your hands up, stupid. I feel lucid, a new viewing. I can see the end, I can see my future, I can view it.
So alive when I dream. Open up my eyes when I see. On my way for you.
Finally, we'll upload the video to YouTube and set the title for the song. Please remember to always respect the copyright of the original song when creating music cover videos like this. In some cases, you can directly negotiate with the copyright owner to share revenue or use the copyright legally. Because you have watched the entire video, I would like to reveal a new money-making method. A method that has hardly been shared on YouTube before. It's a method of earning money through ID content. Let me reiterate that this is a method that very few people know about. If you want to know more, please leave a comment below, and I will create a video sharing the step-by-step process with this method. For now, goodbye and see you again.